What's up, guys? Okay, y'all, today we're gonna do another Dollar Tree DIY, and this is gonna be a Pottery Barn dupe. So I'm gonna try to copy the new Pottery Barn pumpkins that they have. I'm gonna try to put a picture to show you what I'm talking about. Hopefully you're seeing that picture right now. And so we're gonna use this microfiber cloth. You already know you can find it at Dollar Tree. Some twine and this glow beach ball. Of course, we're just using the beach ball part. And also, all three items can be found at Dollar Tree, guys. So let's get started. Okay, with your beach ball, make sure you blow it up so it's firm enough. You don't have to be all the way, super tight, but just make sure it's firm enough. Make sure you turn it on the side where the glow stick goes, and then center it on your towel, your cloth, and make sure the tag of the cloth is facing up. So when you then you're gonna bring your four corners to the center, but do not tuck it in yet, because you're gonna have to make sure that your cloth fits around the beach ball properly. But bring it all up and do not stuff it in, insert it yet. Okay, once you tuck your corners in, make sure it's nice and neat. And then you see the extras around. Make sure you don't see the ball at all. That's all we need to be concerned about. And just make sure it's closed. See, like right there. And just gather it up. And then tuck it down so you're not seeing the ball at all, guys. And then we're going to take, our twine next. Alrighty. So then you're going to take your twine. Just get a piece, measure it first before cutting it. And then you're going to put it under the ball and make it as tight as possible, guys, over the insertion hole. And then tie it, like make a tie, not a knot, but just tie it. You see how that's just a tie. And then you're going to flip it over and then tie it again, and so it can be, and then that's when you form your knot. And gather it to make sure both strings are together before you come on, focus, before you do the knot, guys. It is plain. There you go. And so then that'll be your next step. And then you're going to still have like these little flaps. Now, we're going to still take these little flaps. Make sure you can't see the ball. And I'm just going to turn mine up. Now, y'all can cut the extra material, but the extra material to me add character to me. And I'm just going to do my second twine. And we're going to do the same exact step what we just did with the first one until we have it all little sectioned off like how a pumpkin looks. So like I say, I'm not cutting my extra, but y'all can y'all can cut y'all's. I'm just going to politely twist mine up so it can create more character for my pumpkin. So it can be more, look like a real pumpkin. There is no such thing as a smooth, perfect pumpkin. They always got little bumps. Well, not all of them, but I like the ones with the bumps with a little character. So I'm gonna do that, guys, and then I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, after y'all get y'all twine on the way y'all want it to be, and make this project y'all own. Y'all, like I said, y'all don't have to do exactly what I'm doing, but see how I tucked the extra fabric in, then I hot glued it so it can stay. But it add more texture when it's not perfect. So this is loose too. And I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna add the hot glue along the seam, and then I'm gonna tuck it so it can stay in one place. But feel free, like I said, if y'all know how to sew, y'all don't know how to sew. So y'all can sew it. You can do what have you. But make it your own, guys. So I'm going to add this hot glue and then I'll be right back. Okay, guys, for the stem on my pumpkin, I'm just going to reuse, recycle, what have you, the label from the cloth. Okay, guys? Y'all can use anything, but I like to use every little bit and possible. And that, who knows, somebody else might not even have something. So I'm really just gonna do this. Roll it up is what I was trying to say. I'm gonna roll this up as you see I'm doing right now. And you can shape it, make it as long as you want. And then guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to wrap some twine around this bad boy and hot glue it. So this is the first step. Then we're going to wrap it with twine and then we're going to hot glue it. So I'll be right back, guys. And there you have it, guys, the finished product. Now, y'all, I will admit this was kind of a little difficult project because you just got to get the cloth on your ball. There's no way I could tell y'all like how much to inflate, deflate, or whatever. It is really trial and error. But make it your own. But this is the finished stem. Y'all saw the piece of paper that I used. And I just wrapped the twine around it. And then I inserted it in the hole where we put the rest of the cloth in. And I just maneuver the twine around just so it can look presentable to my eye. But I really like the way it turned out, guys. And like I said, I don't sew yet. I don't know how to sew yet, guys. So hot glue is my best friend. But if y'all know how to sew, I'm pretty sure y'all pumpkin can come out more, maybe a little neater than mine's. Because I had to do a lot of tucking and gluing and everything. But to me, I think it came out pretty cute. So there you have it, guys. Let's see a top view. Okay, pumpkin. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If y'all like this video, go ahead and hook your girl up with a thumbs up. See you guys next video. Come on through, pumpkin. Pottery Barn where?